Michelle, you want to bathe inside now? They've not fixed it, okay? So just leave there. Just be ready for their stress. You're welcome to another house update vlog. Lovelies, good morning. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. So you guys, I just want to have a quick talk with you this morning before I go back to the house. I just dropped Michelle at school now and I've cut my hair. Yeah, I took off my hair because the edges were not growing well. So I just decided to cut it, and yeah, this is how we are looking. So you guys, this morning I'm really not in a good mood because I'm here at my site and what I'm seeing is not what I'm supposed to see. We had a worker that was fixing the fence I told you guys about had little shaky issue and it came yesterday it is, and now we are thinking about breaking a part to it to add rust to it. It came yesterday and it was like the scaffold at this entrance, some random persons just entered the compound and they've collected it. You guys see, security is really a big issue here in Nigeria. Tell me why somebody will just enter somebody's compound and collect the boards we placed here, and we wanted to use that board to add to the fence. This fence here, can you guys see? We've done the fence, but we've not done the front gate. The man that was supposed to fix the gate, that is another long story on its own. See, if you are doing this contract by yourself, you're not handing over everything to interior decor, your engineer and all of that. You've gotten to a stage and you're doing it by yourself. Just be ready for this. Tell me why you've paid a welder to do a job since last year, October, and this is November. He has not delivered. More than a year. You don't understand that. See, these things, you are working with time. It does not. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. So you guys, you're welcome to another house update vlog. And we are progressing. Yes, we are progressing, and today the painters are around. They want to start painting, and they'll first of all paint those areas that have less activities going on there, and they are starting with the roof. That's the POP ceiling. They are starting with that, and they're also going to paint the store and my laundry room. So these are the areas they are painting for now. Then by the time we are done with the furniture work in the kitchen and in the other parts of the house, then they can paint everywhere and they can come outside to paint the rest parts. But yeah, my joy is that the work is progressing. Yes, we are progressing, gradually progressing to the finish line. They came to pour the granite to floor where they're going to put the gates for this outside. Let me show you guys. They are done with this thing they did on this fence area so that they can put the gates. The weatherman has finally answered us. That man, to see that man, problem. One thing with these artisans, if they are good at their job, they always have customers that patronize them. So the man is always busy, and now he promised us he was going to come today, and now today is Friday now. We've not seen him. We are calling him, his number is switched off. But all the same, we are happy that he has done this one, and hopefully tomorrow is going to put the gates here so that our properties will be secured. Lovely, see rain. See rain. This is November and it is still raining like this, cat and dog. It is still raining heavily at November. I don't understand the climate anymore. See rain now, see rain. See rain. I'm trapped here right now. I can't go home again. You guys, I don't understand the climate anymore, but I'm sure this rain is calling a matam. I'm sure this rain is calling a matam because I've started to feel the Harmattan breeze already. Still rain. My goodness. Prince. I want to start painting now. I want to start painting. Yeah, say hi to my vlog now. Yes. Can you see what the rain did to this place just now? Can you see? Look at what the rain did to this place. Just now, look at the water. Oh, this one dry now. Lovelies, we just brought in the toilet accessories. These are the accessories for bathroom for this old house. Yeah, these are the accessories, and that's for the tank. Yeah, so we are almost getting ready for the finishing in this house. So this is the bathtub for my bathroom, and these are the accessories, and these are just the accessories. So I'll show you guys when we are fixing them, okay? So keep on watching. Mitchell, you want to bathe inside now? They've not fixed it, okay? So just leave there. Hi my loves, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you are good. So I just came back from a wedding ceremony now, and I decided to like come over to site to see what is going on here before I head over home. And yeah, I went with my girls and we are on this uniform. Yes, they have another lace ashwebi they used, but this they also have this Ankara ashwebi, and this is the one we used for this ceremony today. And yeah, me and my girls, we are on this uniform. The plumbing guys, those artisans, they are here and they are doing some things inside. So let's go and see what is going on there. So the plumbing guys, they are working. Look at all the things we got that were here. They've started fixing them. Look at them. They've started fixing them. Wow. You guys. See, serious work is going on here. Serious work is going on here. This is the electric, this is the heater for the kitchen. And can you see they are working? They are working. They are working. Wow, serious work is going on here. Stop playing, no babe. Wow, I like this. Wow. You guys are working. Evening. Well done. And they are doing in this room. Wow, 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 wow. Hey! Oh my goodness. If like this weekend, most things go on. This work could have been almost done. Wow, this is good. This is good. This is good. That's tomato. That's tomato. Yes, so we go occasion. Yeah. Wow, this is good. They don't fix the tiles for this floor yet. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, let's go and wee outside. Let me take you outside to wee, okay? Okay, yes, it's through the back. I normally take her to wee. That's why they are walking there. You can't wee there now. So let's go outside to wee. Lovely. I'm super excited. I'm so excited right now because the work is really, really progressing. It is progressing. I'm so excited right now. I'm so excited right now. See, the work is progressing. Lovelies, do you know this man I told you guys about for this gate? This gate here. He did not come that day. He did not come. Up until now, he has not come. Okay, Misha is done. So, can you see? We are on this uniform and we are twinning together. We are twinning with this uniform. Mira is there with her dad. This gate I told you the weather was supposed to bring on Friday. It did not come. It was supposed to put the tank at this place. See now, they are putting a drainage where these pipes, water will be going out. Yeah, so it was supposed to put the tank at the end of this place here. The end there, the water tank, so that these plumber guys that are around now can walk and they can see water to use while they are walking, and they will test everything, all the plumbing things. We were supposed to do that Friday. Just be ready for their stress. Here I want to come and meet us.
That place is
Mira!
Stay with me.
Miche!
So that you will not climb.
So mine is this top and this trouser, this big trouser like this. I've changed to this slide to feel more comfortable. I was putting on a shoe. Yeah, so this is Mira with her dress. And Misha is doing the most. Misha is doing the most there. So let's go and look at my room. Let's see what they did there. Now they've started fixing the ties here. Well, they've done the floor drain.
No, but I will not do.
So now they're about to fix the ties here. So they've done the floor drain for all the bathrooms. That's why they are able to fix the tiles now on the bathrooms. This one I showed you guys earlier. They've done the floor drain. So, okay. Oh, they are fixing this in the heater. Look at it. That's what they are fixing. And the floor drain is done already, so that's why they're able to fix the tiles. Yeah. So let's go. The floor drain is done here too. Can you see? This is pretty. I like this floor drain. This color. Yeah. So this one they've done the tiles, the trap. It's my toilet. It's my toilet seat. Okay. Yes, my toilet seat. This one is for this room. It's not for me. If you can, this one want to come and sit too. You want to come and sit too. It's not only me that will be seeing everything. Maybe I want to sit too. That's good. So very soon they'll be fixing my my washing machine. Wow, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. 2 weeks from now, this house should be ready. Like totally. By 2 weeks from now, it should be totally ready. Everything in place. I can't wait for that, guys. Lovelies, I can't wait for that. The seat is fine. The toilet seat is fine. I like it. So by tomorrow, the furniture artisan will be here and he's going to fix the mirror by the side and the sink by this side also, this corner. And yeah, he's going to do his work. And by the time we are through with this bathroom, you guys, you won't recognize it again.